This video was brought to you by Elbilmek, ABRP, Stormberg, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? We are now at Oslo Motor Show. There are some EVs here, at least, and then Ceres is one of them. They have existed in Norway for a while. The customers has received them, but I'm not sure why they're not more popular. We need to eventually find out. The press cars are ready. I talked to the guys. I got the contact information. Unfortunately, I'm booked until the end of November, until I'm supposed to go to Thailand, but not all the cars I booked are super interesting, so maybe I should try to squeeze in this. What do you guys think? We have to check it out. So, unfortunately, this is the open day now. Plenty of people here, just to give you guys an idea. So that means that I cannot get the car for myself without any interruptions. But okay, we will just grab the cars as they are. Oh, look at the back. Ceres 5 EV. It's yet another Chinese car. Wait, how do I? No, it's here, of course, it's there. Thank you. I'm a noob. I'm usually looking for stuff down there. But actually, this is good because it means that there is not much schmutz, you know. In there will be schmutz, but not up here. The trunk, you know, nowadays I will try to estimate. Okay, this is the thing. There is nothing under here. There is no cover to open up more, unfortunately. What the heck is this? Oh, I think this might be the emergency pull out for the charge port. But we have 12 outlet in the back. Some lights there. Not that much space. But yeah, if I would guess how many banana boxes you can fit in here with the parcel shelf out. Well, this is actually some sturdy parcel shelf, but I'm guessing 7 or 8 boxes. Okay, and then the charge port is here on the left side with the right side, or the right side with the wrong side, but you can actually open it only from the screen, not from outside. I'm gonna struggle in 1,000 kilometer challenge because I will go out and then like, oh no. Okay, now I had to try to grab one car that nobody is in, but there are people in all the cars. Okay, it has a relatively large frunk. No, there is no hook, lock, whatever. So that's it. Wait, look at this. Interesting. Okay, so the Ceres guys, they talk a lot about build quality. Yeah, and they say that they have put seal here for seal for dust, seal for noise, seal here. You know, they talk about that the material quality is quite good. And they say, oh, you can put a baby stroller here also. This is what I don't understand. Why is there a lid and another lid? Well, apparently the Ceres guys, they claim that it is for IP protection. I don't know, but it is for seal. Yeah, dust sealing or something. But this becomes quite cumbersome, as you see. Because I can't even. Let me see. Maybe you have to use the right hand because the right hand is stronger. But yeah, all right. So it has a frunk. That's good. But you're supposed to just press down here. But you see, the reason why they don't have a thing under the trunk is something about that. They try to protect the components. It's all-wheel drive. So some of the components, they are not exposed to the environment. That's why there's less space in the trunk. That's at least what they told me. And then that means that I want to see under the car. What does it look like? Whoa. Huh? What the heck? Doesn't this cause poor ground clearance? Look at this. There's some kind of, I wouldn't say it's skid plate, but it's just some plastic piece. Similar to what you would find in the interior of the trunk, you know. Not sure how to explain this surface, but it's not a smooth surface like here. It's more of a porous surface, but of course quite flat floor. Yeah, I mean on belly, and then something about here that they have protected the underbelly and the components. And then some other cars, the motor and the electronics are quite exposed. Now let's check out the interior. Yeah, suddenly we are in a different car because the other cars they are busy, but this is available. So we have this type of door handle. How is it going to work in winter? Okay, when you talk about those materials, they pointed out that when there is one material that goes into or changes to another material, they made sure that the transition between them are great, so that you can feel it here. Kind of hard to see maybe. And he said that some other brand, he didn't want to mention any name. I was guessing Tesla, which I also experienced, that in a Tesla, when there is plastic and then some softer material, you could just pull it between them. There's a harsh transition between them. But here, so supposedly, the build quality is exceptional. So I need to also experience that firsthand. Wait, did someone turn on the seat heater? It is freaking hot in here. Can we set? Okay. I don't know what's going on here, but I think there is some kind of there are some teenagers here, and they're supposed to do some they call it like lebensløp. Close. Oh, that's better. Okay. I think they have to do some kind of like a route where they do something in the car. They have to hook it up to some Bluetooth. That's why there's weird stuff going on right now. But yeah, a big horizontal screen. I like it. An instrument cluster. Well, that's good. Steering wheel is nice to touch. Maybe not as thick as I prefer. I like it big and thick and black, but it's still okay. Stalks. They feel nice to use. Oh, maybe I shouldn't spray. Oh, interesting. Huh. Cruise control stalk here. Ooh, nice. And then manual adjustment here. Okay. And then, well, I gotta say, wow. You know, when I touch the buttons, they have nice resistance and nice feel over them. Okay, so maybe there's something there. 2 charging pads. Wait, let me double check here. Are they actually operational, or I have to wait until we see red LED? Okay. There. Yeah, they both charge, you know. I've seen so many cars where they waste precious space here for just one charging pad. Well, do you expect that only one of the people in the front have a phone that can wirelessly charge, or what is it? Why not have 2, just like Tesla? We have the bridges on here. I have to go out and show you. We have 12-volt outlet in the front, also nice. 1 USB-A, 1 USB-C over there. A little edge here, some light under there. That's nice. Oh, a relatively big center console. So far so good. Let me close the door again. It's kind of noisy over there. Oh. Okay. You see what I see? Electric adjustable air vents, just like Tesla. Here also. Yeah. Oh, wait, I noticed one thing though, that the screen is fairly high up on the dashboard. I don't know if you see it, but many cars, they will have a screen that might be slightly lower, but here they move it far enough up. So that's good, because then you don't have to move your eyes too much from the road versus here. So let me just check here. Wait, what the heck is this? Whoa, okay, that's weird. Well, that's the biggest makeup mirror ever. Did they have the same on this side? The finish for opening here is not elegant though. How do you supposed to you have to use your nail and then open it like this. There's no obvious notch you can pull, but okay, whatever. Does it, let me just check, does it, no, it doesn't pull out, it doesn't extend, but okay. So far so good. What about the buttons here? They have a good feel, yeah. I mean, for a car that costs less than 500k, it's a 470,000 NOK, including winter wheels. That's a good price. Let's check now. Headroom. Whoa, there's plenty of headroom. Yeah. Seats seems nice. They are not super sporty, but there's some side support. Also here, and also these. Wait, what about this headrest? Are they going to be a problem? No. So I need to test this more. So yeah, I think I cover most of it. You have to go in the back, of course. Let's see. Okay, let's try here. Yeah, we have USB-A, one USB-C. In the back, yeah, like I mentioned, the teenagers, they are entering. They have to do something with the cars. That's why they are just searching for cars here. Sorry if there's a bit of a background noise. I'll just do my review here. Plenty of space also in the back. How do you take this one out? Oh yeah, oh, it becomes a cup holder and a table. Nice. Does it have a ski opening? Doesn't seem like it, but I have to check the middle seat also. Actually, okay headroom also in the middle, if you must use it. And then here we have some ambient light, and then let me check. Oh, I see a slight disadvantage. You see, the legs are pointing up like this. The seat height is low, so you can put your feet in front here at least, but it's nowhere near, for example, a Model Y. So of course they do this to give you good headroom, but then you get poor seat comfort. And that's a tiny head-up display compared to the AR head-up display I see on MEB cars nowadays, and this is small, but at least it is a head-up display. So I think that's it. Series 5, yeah. Eventually I'm gonna test it, do everything, range test, 1,000 kilometer challenge, charging test, noise acceleration test, see how it can handle it, right? And then I want to know from you guys, are you interested? Okay, anyway, I think that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.